Hello everybody, welcome to the show. It's Mcclendon coming at you guys with a new video about trading. I'm going to be going over 2 stocks that I just exited and 2 stocks I just entered. So let's jump right into it. Cool. So the first one I just got out of is Chevron. Now, oil's been on the move. I've been trading oil on spot forex. I'm doing on the sessions, but I was looking at what stocks I can get be a part of since this big move up, and Chevron was one of the ones I just got into recently, last couple of days. And I entered at the 116 level and just exited just today. I just traded this small range from here to here. Now, oil's been on the move. I think oil's going to be going a whole lot higher, so I'm going to trade pretty much little swings here and there for in the stocks and taking longs when it comes to forex. Well, we'll look at another stock. Now, I actually read this in the blog and actually got kind of lucky looking at it. I mean, long term, I wouldn't have messed with it because of negative earnings per share, but also it wasn't too bad to get part of this. So I was reading that blog last year and I was part of it right about here. So my risk is very, very low. So for me, I don't risk more than 3%. It ranges from 0.05% to 3%, and that's my range. So I entered in about this area here, and boom. Now, when it comes to trading long term, completely different things to look for. I don't really, when it comes to short term, I really don't read much about the company. I just look at where the charts are, where the money's at, to see when the bank is coming in or where the big bag of money's coming in. So when they come in and when they come out, I think the biggest gain for me was to come in right here and exit about right here. And if it keeps on going up, that's fine. I made my gains. I'm not going to complain. I'm going to move on, find the next stock. But let's find out the next one. Now, this is one I just entered in as of today. It's called Matthews International Corporation. Now, remember, guys, I'm not giving you guys advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So take it as what it is. So it has negative earnings per share. That's cool. Dividend yield. That's all fancy when it comes to long-term stuff. Or short-term, where can we make our money? When can we get out? So I just drew up a triangle for you guys about how it's bouncing off this directional support right here. I think it's going to hold the support and just take up and possibly bounce a little bit off the support, off the resistance level, and head up to this high resistance level back in like March of 2019. So I think that's where the direction is going. I'm not telling you guys to buy this stock. I'm saying what I'm doing. And if it goes that direction, I might make a good gain. If it takes 3% off right here and I take a loss, that's fine. I'll just find the next stocks to get into. My next one I just bought into is called Fifth Street Finance. Now, I actually kind of like this company so far when I looked at some of the numbers. The PE ratio is really solid. I like the earnings per share being over 10% and has a dividend yield about 7%. Cool. So we look at it right here. We're on the daily, and I wish I heard about the stock a little bit earlier because this was the better buy, the 520 level right here. But since I'm right here, I think the next level is going to be taking advantage of this resistance level and going up to 547. So let's look at the monthly. We'll zoom out a little bit. Look, not too bad. I mean, it's been holding this support area of the 420, maybe heading to higher highs, but we should definitely see. It does take a little collapse. I mean, I haven't read about this company so much because it is a capital gains company, so I'm just in and out. But listen, guys, if you guys want to learn how to trade in stocks and forex, contact me on either Facebook, Instagram. We'll have that conversation, and I'll show you guys how I have a platform where you guys have education on forex and stocks, and also money and business. But that's it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a nice day. See ya.